My name is Taylor Yelton. I drive a 2019 F-250 Super Duty Lariat. I own a construction company, so I'm driving all day, every day, all around St. Augustine, Florida, hauling trailers and going to visit job sites and everything in between. I have a family member that works here at Infotainment. I've been talking to him for a while about upgrading the screen. I had some issues at times with the plugging in your phone and it getting the sync to work, and every once in a while it would just not work. You have to turn the truck off, turn it on. Sometimes that would fix it, sometimes not, and just kind of getting some bugs out. I believe the not having to plug the phone in every time you get in the truck to have the sync, it does it automatically, and the biggest thing is just having the bigger screen. That is so, oh my God, that is so badass. Yeah, that's a game changer. It's an absolute game changer. Just unbelievably happy with it. Came out better than I expected. I had it in my head that it was still gonna be kind of in set and everything, and I love the display of it. Different than I expected, but better than I expected. Just having it so in your face, it's gonna be hard to miss. And like I said, my biggest thing before, just being able to hop in, I don't have to mess with this stupid cord in my way all the time. Just to hop in and go. That is absolutely killer. I expect it to be awesome, but this is above and beyond, for sure.